If you're experiencing problems with feeding or inaccurate position printing on the PC23d, if you've got the LCD version, it's very simple to perform a calibration. One other thing to check as well is the cleanliness of the sensors. So if we open up the machine, inside the machine, behind the labels, if I rewind the labels back, is a movable sensor. This sensor can be moved anywhere from this edge all the way to this edge, and if possible, try to position it in a position on the label where the least print is. In this label, I've got no chance of doing that because all of my labels pre-printed. So all I can do is put it to the center of the label and make sure that it's okay. Another thing to check is that the sensor's clean. So make sure this window here is clean and this part here. Make sure there's nothing in the way of these lights here, because they're basically a transmit and receive sensor, so they're looking through the gap. Anyway, so load your labels up, close the machine up. So from the menu, press the home button, go down to wizards, enter, calibration, enter. Media calibration wants to do is press enter. It's going to ask you to load the media, but we've already done this, so I can click next. So I'm going to ask you, what type of media do you have loaded? We have labels with gaps. You may have a black mark on the back, or you may have continuous media. Use the up and down arrow to select the correct media. In this instance, it's media with gaps. Okay, that. So now it's going to actually feed and read the voltages. When it's happy, it should feed a label and stop. And then another qualification here is checking the length. Make sure the length is the same as the length of your label. If that's correct, then the sensor's working and it's calibrated your labels correctly. We can test this by going home and pressing the feed button. Every time we press the feed button, it should stop to the tear point. I hope this has been useful. Thank you.